The Glow Code: How to Master Radiant Skin and Inner Wellness in 2025. Welcome to the future of beauty and health, where self-care is science-backed, tech-assisted, and deeply holistic. The buzzwords of 2025 are cellular glow, bio-personalization, digital detox, and ritual-based care. Radiant beauty now begins far beneath the surface, and true health radiates outward. So how do we decode this glow? Here's what's trending and what works. Let's start with the idea that radiant skin is no longer just about what you apply, it's about how you live. In 2025, skincare is deeply connected to circadian health. New research shows that syncing your beauty routine with your body clock can significantly improve your skin's elasticity, hydration, and even resistance to pollution. Morning routines are focused on hydration, protection, and antioxidant boosts, while evening routines prioritize repair, retinol, and microbiome support. Think of your skin as a living ecosystem, influenced by sleep, light exposure, and stress cycles. The three-step skincare trend of the past has now evolved into a 24-hour rhythm method, where even your screen time is factored in. Beauty now begins with understanding This isn't just about avoiding sugar or eating fiber. It's about rebalancing the trillions of bacteria that control everything, from inflammation to collagen production. Clear skin and consistent energy now start with a spoonful of fermented papaya or a tailored prebiotic drink every morning. Yet even perfect gut health can't overcome the digital drag we face daily. The silent destroyer of modern beauty is screen fatigue. In 2025, digital detox isn't a luxury, it's a health necessity. Blue light isn't just disturbing your sleep, it's breaking down your skin barrier and accelerating oxidative stress. That's why modern beauty regimens include screen-free hours and even skin fasting, intentional breaks from any product usage to let the skin breathe and recalibrate. Meanwhile, mindfulness practices like breathwork and facial yoga are taking center stage as zero-tech, zero-cost tools that lift both mood and skin tone. Real beauty in 2025 isn't filtered through a lens. It's built offline, during the hours when your mind and skin both rest. And finally, the new frontier: ritual-based care. Face massages using gua sha tools, warm oil scalp treatments, slow brewing botanical teas, and scent-based mood anchoring are now mainstream parts of the beauty and health routine. Each ritual activates not just the senses, but also neurological pathways associated with healing and calm. Science is finally catching up to what ancient traditions have long known. When beauty becomes a mindful ritual, it activates deeper systems of joy and balance. The strongest glow comes from consistency, and rituals offer exactly that. Repeated, meaningful practices that link body and mind. From Sunday evening bath soaks infused with magnesium to Monday morning affirmation skincare routines, beauty in 2025 is both personal and spiritual. So if you're chasing the glow, don't just look at the mirror. Look at your rhythms, your rituals, your rest, and your gut. Because in 2025, beauty isn't applied, it's activated.